Since I had so much time at home last year, I told myself I was going to learn how to do the perfect eyebrow. So I went on YouTube and watched hours of videos and I still couldn't get it. So I figured there's got to be an easier way. It's the Avaka'S brow stamp and stencil set. You'll get an instruction kit, a spoolie, the stamper, and 5 different stencils. Simply place the stencil on your face and start stamping. If you want more color, just refill by putting the little stamper back into the tube and get more powder. Are you ready, queens? It comes with a spoolie, so just brush it out. And look at that tip, honey. You use the same stencil for the other side of your face. Just flip it over and start stamping. Okay, and a pro tip, you can use this for more than your brows. If you have receding hairline, you can stamp your hairline. You can use it as bronzer to highlight and contour your face. I love giving these as gifts. They're the perfect size for stocking stuffers. Stop wasting time on your brows. Grab yourself a set.